How did Snake Diet Fat Man lose 60 pounds in 2 months? Inside of 2 months. Let's begin. He did it eating 1 meal a day, a normal looking 1 meal a day diet, and fasting on snake juice. He did 2 long fasts that whole time. One was on snake juice, one was dry. 2 longer fasts. They weren't even crazy. 4 fucking days. Not that big of a deal, pig. Okay, not that big of a deal when you weigh fucking 500-600 pounds, pig. And the rest of the days, he's just eating 1 fucking meal that is chicken and fucking watermelon drenched with snake juice. Sodium and fucking potassium, you fucking idiots. Sodium and potassium. If you can't get the snake juice packets because maybe we're sold out or you can't get them where you live, mix up some fucking snake juice. The basic bare bones recipe is 1 liter of fucking water, 1 liter of water, 1 teaspoon of sodium chloride, and 1 teaspoon of potassium chloride. Teaspoons, not tablespoons. 1 to 1 to 1. Once you have your fucking snake juice, you get it in and you can drink some fresh water on the side. And anytime you eat, shuttle in the snake juice with your food. Get a ton of snake juice on your fucking food. Sodium and potassium. You load the salt, pig. Matthew is at a huge daily calorie deficit. That's why he's losing weight so quick. Subscribe to Matthew's YouTube channel, Snake Diet Fat Man. He's the fat guy that's showing you how to lose fucking weight without an extreme diet. Now, can we get extreme and start pulling carbs and throw them on a strict ketogenic diet down the road? Maybe. But you don't need to do it. Okay, as a weight loss coach, I'm not a one-trick pony, bitch. I'm not a one-trick pony. I just want the weight to come off. By any means necessary that's still natural. I don't care what I gotta do to get the weight off somebody. Fucking 1 meal a day, 20 meals a day, carbs, fucking 0 carb, I don't give a fuck. Long snake juice fast, dry fast, fucking death fasting, fucking fasting in a sauna with no water. I don't give a fuck. Whatever I need to do to keep the weight going down, bitch. People that only promote one way to lose weight, those people are shitty fucking weight loss coaches. Shitty fucking weight loss coaches. So what are you gonna do? Just go to them and you know what they're gonna tell you? Okay, you gotta do it this way. Only this way. Okay, I fucking tell people to do things a million ways. Fuck, I've talked to fucking 20 people today and gave them all a different dieting plan. Every one of them. Fuck, some keto, some multiple meals a day, some more fucking carbs, some doing long fucking fasts. It depends on the person. Are they fucking already fucking ripped and have fucking skin problems or health issues? Are they fucking 500, 600, 700 pounds? Are they trying to build muscle and lose some weight at the same time? It depends on the fucking person. Find a weight loss coach that's not a one-trick pony, you fat fucking pig. Subscribe to Matthew's YouTube channel, Snake Diet Fat Man. Watch him lose fucking weight. Until next time, stop fucking eating, fatty.